Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be recording a mukbang slash Q&A. I had went on my IG and asked you guys to ask me anything you guys want. We are gonna be answering them, and yeah, right now we are at B-Dubs. We're waiting for the food. Honestly, Sandra's taking forever though. We've been here literally for like 15 minutes already, and our order was supposed to be ready already, but I don't know. But like 2 months ago, I did the same thing. I had went on Instagram and basically told you guys to ask me questions, and you guys did. Oh my god, who's coming? Ah! And I actually did film the video with my boyfriend answering the questions and the same thing, like eating. But during that time, I was recording on my phone, and basically when I tried putting the video onto my laptop to edit it, it was just a fail. It was too big or something. It just didn't let me, and then it was a fail. But now I actually bought a camera and it should be a success. So I'm shy, dude. I cannot record, and usually I'm not shy when people are around. I do not care. I'll be vlogging, but just because I feel like the car's like right in front of me, I'm like shy because I feel like they're just staring at me and I can't see. I'm scared. But yeah, guys, so oh my god, he freaking scared me. You freaking scared me. Oh my god. Okay, I'll record once we get to my house.
Just start this shit. You edit it later.
Okay guys, we're back at my house, and now we're gonna start the Q&A slash mukbang. I got Parmesan, what is it called? Garlic Parmesan. Garlic Parmesan wings, boneless wings.
Oh my god. You can barely see it, but it's honey barbecue.
Oh, your wrench is falling.
Oh shit.
So we're just gonna start with the questions. So the first question is gonna be, 2 people asked this one. The question is, how did y'all meet?
We met at
work.
Huh? We met at work.
We met at work last year.
Last year? June, right? Or no. That's too much, right? That's too much. That's like getting out of topic. What you say?
Okay. We met in June because we started working the same day, actually, together. Well, not together, but we started working the same day. And that was in June of last year.
Yeah, June of last year.
But we didn't start like talking as friends until
like 2-3 months after we started working. Yeah.
Like,
oh, my wings are all cold and shit.
Whatever. We started talking as friends like August, September, whatever, I don't know. So yeah. Next question.
Next question is, what do you guys like to do for fun? Well, that's a good one, but
Eat.
As you can tell, motherfucking munch the fuck out.
We like
to try new spots.
Yeah, we like to try new spots. Oh my god, I'm almost shocked. We like to try new spots.
Your food ain't going nowhere.
We like to try new spots, like to eat, basically eat. And then we also like to drink sometimes. What?
Sometimes. Yeah, sometimes. Before it was a lot, huh?
When we first met, no, not when we first met. When we first started hanging out, we would always just chill in the car and drink.
That's too much information.
But that's what we like to do. We like to eat, and we just like to go places, to be honest.
Go places, do stuff. Not be home. Cause fuck that.
How long have y'all been together?
About to be 7 months, no? This 13th about to be 7 months. Whoop-de-woo. You know what the fuck going on. The big 7.
That big 7.
Get a load of this chick. Just play.
So yeah, 7 months.
You're not cutie.
Who, me?
Yeah,
Who, me or her?
What's your space bud?
The other question was, do y'all do anal?
Ooh, yeah.
Do we?
Turn up.
Do we?
Do we do anal, guys? That cannot be told. Look at you.
We don't.
No, we don't. Someone's scared.
I don't. Because I don't want a culo aguado.
Ooh.
I've heard stories. Comment down below if you tried that and you have and your fucking culo's aguado. And don't fucking lie.
Oh, nah.
Oh, this one's my favorite. What is one thing you guys like about each other?
One thing I like about each other. You first. You first.
Me? One thing. Okay. One thing I like about Sandro is that, and I said it in the other fail video, but it was that he's affectionate. Because I'm not. I'm starting to be, right?
Sure.
I am. I am. You said. You said I am.
I know you are. She really is, guys.
I'm a little shy.
She still doesn't make a clap though.
Shut up! Guys, tell me why homeboy be over here talking about twerk, twerk, twerk.
Look at you.
He be telling me to twerk for him, but I keep telling him like, I can't. I can't. Like, sis ain't got no ass, boy. So stop asking.
Nah.
So what's one thing you like about me?
You're cute.
You're getting me shy.
Why?
Guys, hurry up and say it.
It's hard to think about something I like about you.
Why?
Because I have so many things. I said it too, that you're hardworking and you're independent.
That I'm what?
Hardworking and independent.
Period, poo. Okay. Okay. What is one thing you guys don't like about each other? Remember? He's just loud. Like loud. Like for what?
Not even.
Not even. He just thinks, you know, he thinks out loud sometimes. Most of the time.
Damn.
You do. But he's just very blunt. I mean, I like that he's blunt, but then sometimes it's just like when we out and about, he be a little too loud sometimes.
You?
No. Don't say that.
It's not even like that.
You're not hungry? You want one of mine? Nah.
Get one of mine.
Nah. Let me have some of your Coke. You're taking too long.
I don't know. One thing I don't like about I didn't mean it.
Oh, I think I know. I think I know one thing you don't like about me.
One thing I hate is that like me telling you to hurry up or like to go hurry up and you don't listen or something.
So I take my time?
Yeah, you take your time.
Okay, so he hates that
You just take your time, like say to get ready and all that. You take a while to decide. You're not sure. You're not sure.
I'm indecisive.
Yeah, you're indecisive about what you're gonna wear sometimes too.
Okay.
Now give me some.
Okay, next question. Who's the jealous one?
Whoa.
What?
Who do
It
you-
ain't me.
Oh, you think I am?
Nah. I mean, I think we both can be, but I don't think we're jealous.
But what?
I don't think we're jealous to that extent.
Mm.
Have we argued about something? Over like jealousy?
No.
No, right? We haven't argued about anything like,
I hope not.
yeah, I hope not. But we haven't argued about like there just hasn't been an incident where we argue about like over jealousy or something, right?
There's no trust issues. That's the thing.
Trust issues. Whatever King Von said, right? Doesn't it?
Yeah, shout out my nigga King Kong, Bong.
King Kong. Do y'all think of having babies anytime soon? I don't think.
No.
Do you guys think of having babies anytime soon? Just know that I'm on birth control, that BC.
Yes, sir.
So that's the answer already. Okay.
You know I'm going in raw.
Stop.
Oh, I thought I mean.
Oilo.
I mean, since y'all were saying you were letting them know you're on birth control. I mean, I had to let them know.
You're dumb.
Not right now. We just trying to get to that money.
Just one period. Okay, so who wears the pants in the relationship? I say both of us.
Yeah, both of us. 50-50.
He lets me know when I need to relax. Relax.
Yeah, because the little Macy fools over here don't know how to relax.
You too, though. I'm like, who the fuck the boss is here?
Hey, man, you be trying to boss me around.
Nah,
to do
you
this
trying to
good.
boss me around.
Tell me I can't wear gray shirts and nothing.
Shut your ass up. I've been playing about that.
I know.
I've been messing with him talking about, because he be wearing little gray booty shorts and stuff. And I be telling him like, get your ass back inside and change.
Shut your ass.
You can't be wearing those. But yeah, it's 50-50. Some boy had also mentioned, I remember, like when I had asked you guys about and asking me questions 2 months ago, some boy had commented saying, why him? Why you?
What's up?
I mean, to be honest, it's because I seen that he drove an Infiniti, a G35. I was like, oh, he's a G35, papi.
I'm done.
Ladies, and he's from Fontana? That's crazy.
Damn. Nobody put out the Air Force One.
Yo, and he wear black Air Forces? Nah.
Might have to lick it.
These Fontana guys are something different. Basically, all of the questions that we got, and this is where our video ends.
Clickbait.
Clickbait. Clickbait, she shows her titties.
Clickbait.
Whoa!
Oh!
Guys, comment down below on what other videos we should do. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah. What's up?
You look good.
Alright, peace.
Hey, go back up a little bit.